Do you know, there is a city, which is called, the City of the Dead, and why they call it? Or, you won't believe the lifestyle of the Prince of Brunei. How the Chinese cook sheep's genitals, penises and testicles. Or, how the Japanese cook their daily food. Why girls sometimes lean on one side when they walk. Hello viewers, welcome to a new video with the top 5 amazing facts that will make you amazed. So, don't skip the video and subscribe to our channel. Fact number 1, Jeffrey Bolkiah, Prince of Brunei. Have you ever heard the name of Prince Jeffrey? He is not the Joffrey Baratheon character from Game of Thrones. Actually, Jeffrey is the brother of the Sultan of Brunei. If you have Prince before your name, that means you have lots of money. Jeffrey is not different from this. He likes to spend money. In a report, it shows that Jeffrey spends $50 million per month. Shocking, right? Now let's know where he spends so much money. He has 7,000 supercars, including over 20 Koenigsegg's, 300 Ferraris, 11 McLaren F1s, 6 Porsche 962 LMs, and 600 Rolls-Royces, and many more expensive cars. Not only these, but he also has 5 expensive yachts and 8 personal jet planes, where people don't have money to buy a single car. Even some people don't have money to eat. This prince is wasting money for no reason. However, he gave $16 million to Michael Jackson for performing on his 50th birthday. But he spends all this money from the government treasury. Now his expenses have shorter a little because of government pressure. But that is not too tiny. Nobody can ask him anything, and even no one can arrest him, because he is the brother of the Sultan. His net estimated worth is around $20 billion. Fact number 2, sheep's genitals. Yeah, you heard that right. The people of China eat sheep's genitals, penises and testicles, by burning it with the help of a stick. It is a very famous food in China. You can find this food in almost all the restaurants in China. What do you think of this? Let us know in the comment section below. Fact number 3, lean on one side. We often notice that girls lean on one side when they walk on the stairs. Sometimes it looks so weird. But the reason behind this is their shoes. It is difficult to go up or get down from stairs wearing high heels. Because of this, they sometimes lean on one side. Fact number 4, cooking process in Japan. The procedure for cooking Japanese dishes is moderately easy. They slowly cook the food. Most of the time, they just make gravy or boil the food. However, they eat rice every time, instead of bread. Therefore, this is a significant difference from the Western world. This is their simple way of preparing food. Fact number 5, City of Dead. The world is full of mysterious things. And some of these mysteries are still not solved. There is a village named Dargavs in Russia that is called the City of the Dead. People avoid this village. And there is a rumor that no one came back from the village alive. But if you look at this village, it is looking like the Haven. There are 5 mountains around this village. And the houses of this village, made with mountain rocks. The valley extends about 17 kilometers. And there are almost 100 old stone tombs in the graveyard. Russians believe that only dead bodies live here, because 500 years ago, people left their relatives' dead bodies here. About 10,000 dead bodies found in these houses. And the coffins of these dead bodies are boat-shaped. They believe that this boat-shaped coffin will take them to the Haven. So viewers, how was today's video? Which fact did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. Please tap the bell icon for knowing more amazing things around the world. Please subscribe, like, share and be with us for the next video.